To integrate your Notion with Enjo, begin by logging into Enjo. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, proceed to Apps, click on Connect Apps, and choose Notion. Then click on Add New and provide a name for your new connection. The connection name can be your organization's name or anything else that you prefer. After entering the name, click on Connect. You'll then be directed Permissions page, so on this page, ensure that Enjo the ability to view all your pages, which you want to index. You'll need to specifically select the pages you want to connect. In my Notion, I have a team space with 3 articles that I want to access. To do this, simply click on Team Space, open the drop-down, and select the articles you'd like to index. For the private space, you have the option to deselect or select all of the pages and grant access as needed. Once you have completed these steps, your Notion should be successfully connected. This connection will allow you to incorporate Notion documents into your knowledge base, enabling your AI agent to learn from them.